accept the burden with all that I am. I am Optimus Prime, and I will defend any world from Megatron and his Decepticons. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. One shall stand, one shall fall. We can't ignore the danger. We must conquer it. Do not forget what you have learned of our past. From its lessons, the future is forged. Sometimes even the wisest of us can make an error. Now, all we need is a little energon and a lot of luck. We can't stand by and watch the destruction of this beautiful planet. I will never stop fighting for our freedom. There's a thin line between being a hero and being a memory. Till all are one. Autobots, fall back! We've suffered losses, but we've not lost the war. Autobots, roll out! It's you and me, Megatron. Even if you defeat me, Megatron, others will rise to defeat your tyranny. Old friend, you kept this planet safe. You truly are a worthy Autobot. Bumblebee, our war rages on. We must fight for this planet and its inhabitants.